Yes. System.
Yeah.
I just suffer. There are so many women doing well. If you want to do well, it's not looking up to, it's from the beginning. If you determine, you will get there. So it's not about looking up to someone and ebema will achieve BB. It's about the individual, where your foundation is from.
Ebusia for me mama wa akwaba shonko eba too much GH fidye eso midin na ama obusu ana ensema eba ewo oman mu trending issues ebeto dwa ehia se ye ka wansem no eno na mede eso mo ewo fidye eso meka ne sano na eye na watchi NDC for a press conference a one we ebe release one more running mate a one yi no say one di yera John Dramani Mahama echi for year 2020 elections no won say mebre ba ye the say nkofo kase tia no nkofo bo mame no enimtia na bi so ka de amano ye di ye be ba ye ne nsem aba ko efa te say efa mame ho etu nchen am bi so wa oman mu ye celebrate CBA meka Jackie apia any ebiem so Yvonne Nelson ababonte abeka se ebeya enkamami professor Jane Naana Opoku-Agyemang ekebeya ne papa mu anka emanya sorry no more time aminechi one campaign man said on no so betimi aba abedi position ewo man mu said be bete Ghana for man ye nim said ye kebi o kebi mami kebi amammo na ye wo Ghana nka CPR no wo ba ye bi obema ye bi nani nya no ye de ko ye nim na ho ye hu say equality between the sexes no adwuma ewo ye man no nti en wo mo kasa asem no de ato mame no so na sa de nti en Ghana for bi say enti wo ye obenti en ye vote man na say yenshe ne suban ne niye edwuma waye de abo wo man mu pen anase de wontimi nye ne yenshe de nya answer that say wo bi be company kra amana na say ye be gina tum po say wo medi vice president wo man mu a ya gina tum sa ensem we ene de ka wontima to nsa e de afre ma wo fefo say we yakwa ma asem te say ma nam no mo entra say enka eniti gibre ye twa ho aba ye ba ye de nkomo no be hihye so
fitani asese ne din ene your friend say mechanic Zana prophet kumichacha masesa me YouTube no baby a me hwe bia ma change afro ena maba too much GH hwe na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe
ebusia for me sanso emamo akoba shronku biem se na mechanic na se ma promise mo enunti be deliver emma won fefo mienu ena etwa me ho ehia no hwe me nsa benku so a eye wo ba Mercy very popular face ena biem so dote me nsa nifa so no eye oba Sabina o ma ye ready pa na we akwa emma asem no ye be di ne se emma asem pepepepe enunti mu hwe oba Mercy mi fa enhya se wo so enkofo ekeka advocate say emma ye sheda maye akonya ewo oman mu enyina position betimi exhibit ye character yesu ewo mu say emma badaye ne sanyama no enunti say ya NDC for ateki this time say omu elect oba professor Naana Opoku-Agyemang as running mate ama Mahama no nti enu anti e bebo anti emma nya support no sa asem no dwo ho sen.
Oh, okay. My dream chile was assembly we say one say embassy equality no ya dia ya kunwa free tete sasa me kana me no ye hu ye country bi akun say equality no
Sex equality no
okay. Banya ye we free ni say onyame abo na ade no entimi oba different and na oba ma different. What a man can do, women cannot do better. To say na can equality, gender equality. Na no dey fanton chen.
I'm surprised.
Yes. Son and baby did that what men can do, women can do it better. It is a lie. What men can do, women cannot do it. In Babu bet me across your cement bag.
And maybe
one dada.
Oh, there's a Sabina class.
One dada. Sabi, uko factory. Who's embassy paint?
I think it depending on to say okay in terms of
no, dada.
No, it's not entirely a force. if I say, oh, can't you say, mba, awarding money in Bema awarding? I think say equality na kasa obia special one
ne feel the money ne su ni mu
enti oba nyema otimi ye special Bema so nyema otimi ye no
enu ni asem no enu na wo ken
to equality be recognize there is a difference
there is a difference
each other
there is a difference but ye da chichi ye ho say what men can do women can do it better me person be hu say enye no kre na yensi asem no sonso ankasa na omo ka say because of your banti oye Mahama running mate ntino yembo to man Ghana for say ye ni ati o enye oba equality ni ye politics mu ye pay mba o mani da wo sa ma me no hana
Naana Professor Jane Naana Opoku-Agyemang
yes wa bo professor na minti din krada minti then why am ba
former education minister Mahama
what qualifications so kra
mehu mate
enti emu die we na wote say oni mbe die nhia amwa ye bibi sronko de amamba nti ameme ye oni nti mudi gender eyi ba be ye voting
me wa dream wo de wo kan but me do be gina okaka me ko
fa me gina wana me chen me ni abre pa
oba saban na nka se oba de nka ba ma ye nya o nka ye so ye representative na te say aba and to that position of a vice president no uyi mampeni fi awonu na gina won nka se nke ndi mu aye se oba na yekunu nke ndi mu ma ye ma na motivate ye si vote ba we de oba mercy kan je to say otu egukro o ma ye ni kra fi oba no so what do you think?
Oh, I think other than say oyo obano, obia in politics, over say o make a decision na. O share your my baby home. Any gender nkwa. It just unfortunate say with that position so far since the time election began here I am Bema and no more.
Okay.
And then when the first time I oba enti it's not entirely on the gender. And your beti me high. Na we so any position na ono kwa na gina.
Okay.
Enti me emfa bibia engu no so say oh there no beti me aya na say entire party.
An entire party.
Your body but our party mo. And you ono kwa na gina.
But don't you think
the character is ocean as individual? Don't
you think say she's standing so your bar or standing on is an opportunity for other women who look up to women in position to aspire for greater heights in politics because so to me we need not stand there. You can see the kind of atmosphere or the kind of boosting of morale the ma and ma or my
oh me now can so me no ya dream but enye onon kwane oba emba Morgana ehwe no so live your life say omo fe mentor na say bebre edi kan ewo mo enye also no standing for vice president here but ye wan bible mo to anamoni dada ye wo Gloria Safo when mini cranny primary so person so enwini like o share me share ni primary why she was winning say oh not our support enti na so ye bibi eyi onya support e wo ono ye Rollins bana zanato ono so nyoma enti any Kwame Nkrumah bana.
Okay.
Enti any a few to name, but there are the other women na omedi kan e politics mo dada. Enti so I'm not saying no minim ne background in terms of politics, but obia about politics maybe I started somewhere. Enti say what started we ensure one say because of ounting and kaya na say so I be say now this is the time when one better abonting say me person me stand it. This is the time I say obi atnas na or steady no own ne background say okay say ni say yet me en conclude say or to say and say or to say see okay say I feel na obeda ho nti say obi betimi ahwe
mate wa say oba mercy mi say abon so bem unsem na wo kan no what my ama ensem ya nkofota ka say emma de ho atamfo na ye no kre wo kase nia ene o your band team de oba betima ye oba mentimi nye yesu enia ye pray for the same thing say embema bema ye such respect say we are able to also do something.
I don't worry. It's blinded by a political affiliation.
You can do something special as a woman, but not in comparison. Uncle Timmy. Emba one ya yetimi ye better.
Eba
kitchen ya better.
That's going good. Why
Yes.
you point oh.
And eba trying so we are trying to be in the system. We can do it better, but not comparing like we should be equal or we can do it better than men. Okay, let's put that one aside. Baby point I will make it say onu na emba bebre ye be hwe ne so. Agyemang dua was system ni mu.
She was a wife of a president. She wasn't in a position.
No, who himself standing for presidency.
Yes.
Who himself a system.
Yeah.
Adjoa Safo. There are so many women doing well. If you want to do well, it's not looking up to, it's from the beginning. If you determine, you will get there. So it's not about looking up to someone. And Ebema will achieve BB. It's about the individual, where your foundation is from. Will build your morale and like other capabilities. Enti enyo onu na obi be hwe ne so de edu baby a obi nso working in the bia years to come no they will also be on top. But right now share competence. So far she has been to when your chance to be a leading woman in so many institutions.
Okay.
Records ben aba said Mami wait time no what situation and or in this position. She did this for ladies and she did this for other our system na nurses for allowances. Every system where was she? Or your bad time. ATSC agro be so
she was in charge of the education sector until there say education asem no odi ho asem na nurse for you
yes you unjuma doswa we ni na politics mu maintain din then say akofa na din abebom say
Mercy. I think say bias because
bias
when you NDC maybe you have a you are not
no
NDC.
maybe you're neutral maybe kasa from my heart
sound like it.
no
But
yeah, I speak my mind and I speak the truth and I speak share no
That's so
Mama can be being
to me say why Mahama sunye be like that it's not only her. Every it's a party.
Okay.
It's a party nti say unko focus on your banti among two man. Me nyom betting we have to support each other. There comes a point where we have to come together to support each other. That is true. But at the end of the day, you no kwa na wo ho. Nti say wo shed your mo surrounding no one to say on be boa no ama ne opese oye no. So it's betting have the right idea. Say oyo ban oye bad time or drink Ghana ban or person ye be special Emma Ghana ban. But so na so was that position I say enyo no kwa na make decisions are ultimately yet to send near or person oye no. Enti there are some influences. And it's kofona into a party say you no kwa. Enti I think say if you're making a decision it shouldn't be some say we supporting ban and yeah because of ban but you can see the entire people now on your more and say omu capable.
Sabana mincho I know but me asem waka I prompt him on some things be for previous elections no you say oba bi to say kunedu ogina bi ekuadonko edinaye wo mu ne aye ma wo ma push very hard to get to that place wo mu compete megina as standing for women but at the end of the elections, no, your ma organa pa, but votes it was not encouraging.
And then they prove my point.
It was not encouraging. So does it mean say, man, we ourselves in this nation, we are not fighting for our position, our rightful position as like in terms of gender equality. We don't want to stand out there because a person making decisions. No, we were not supporting them as much as we should have. Omunya so low votes. It didn't count for anything.
That's my point. That proves my point exactly. Say omuntimi nka say oye obani ntina omo all of a sudden omo supporting because emba pen and the same women celebrities omo can say they were still there. At the sad time omo support them because maybe omo share their position
party no
ahani am experience man at that time omo say emboa so man because of say we should support each other then they should have been loyal to everybody and you cannot do that because emba different opposition, emba NDC, emba way, it will always be divided. So it all comes to a point say near woman no group or one party or woman no a party and I say for surrender on one say only capable some best of Ghana problem.
Okay.
Because I collective people and yet one person.
That's very good. That's very good. Oba Mercy, but you say oh share when you have fix one so there na person wonka.
Point of making in a basic capability so nipa ability what the person can do ni competence. One or fire no dia besimu enye oba tan asem ena enye gender asem ana enye party ho na wo be hwe aka se wo di vote. In fact say wo hwehwe mu se wa aba no ntonchene wo se maame no our batan akọ obibi ye ma emba obibi ye ma man Ghana. It's not about emba, it's about the country. It's nipa a vision ye oba our vision our purpose our the heart for Ghana, not gender. Enti ye nuanom celebrate Yvonne Jackie na omukasa ne de omo sanse someone no kra na omo anda ndwen ho
Yen bra bibi sto biem. Who say a strategic point be na NDC for party no mu use for Ghanaians because only say the Ghanaian population no ma edos wom and they are also the biggest opposition in the country. Nti say see ma prince on gender equality omne mbema ni be gina mbema ni be face so nti if they use that strategy a bit me abom in the election.
okay and you almost failing COVID-19 system you say you Ghana you ni atio you die ya sorry what mean sorry planning beka say you will succeed who be when you wash for me say it is our plan on fire any dem almost fail already.
I think say that
only your vote na wujina so dia ka so almost fail.
Oh it doesn't matter me just say Ghana you ni ate in Sawom you are not standing for currently voting no mo ye
prime minister no mo koye they are standing for MP or
tutu unim tutu omo di tutu jina uko Facebook abekwana tutu or that one no aspire for one of the position or that what you say nyembe budget no so any nyomutu oni pie pan dress me so mu dress na ka say papa we die nyame na dum we ni awie onya 100 and bibi omo yini shi was say
blind
me na me come to say Ghana die enitia me say Ghana da ya sorry COVID-19 system yimu and trying what
me wasem ya the fact say NDC for yi oba say like a man to me and say at least they are having somebody to represent them in the government and the governance of the nation now. It doesn't mean anything. Almost started in
it doesn't mean anything. They say they pay obi an any abrace or be born my Ghana or the Ghana be free baby e dey akọ baby obi an any abrace or be my youth yi nya transformation obi an any abrace or botai papa bi e dey Ghana mind na enye ti say or in da kwan so they say yes manifesto na nkasa no wo be kan ya unka no falasa wo kan ni etikete wo wie ye na unya post ni started the chase you wo ka say yo enye say obeka ne fala enti say the oman Ghana ye ni abre pa enti wo di dada nkwan so ba ye be yi wa hwe wo pa
Sabana memra oso biem ye hu say all over the world enye common so be hu say oba ejina as a president of a nation mostly even vice president Cant a rare crampo say obeti say vice president oba but ye hu say some women have been able to fight it like Liberia President Eleanor Obed yes
Chairman.
And she did everything for the nation, taking them see the country Liberia, taking them from the face of war, people who have been through a lot, not taking them from there and taking them somewhere stable. Said now they have faith in democracy again. No, those are things that women have capability to knit the world back together.
Yeah, we have, everyone has, not just women. It depends on the
what we are made up of.
True said those women no only stay no what me I be but you wouldn't say that position was not a vice president position. They were the main lead, they were the actual leaders. It's not a more driving system no.
Okay.
Whatever decision we make, I'm not way leader. That helps. See, the right idea. So, but some at this time you need power.
Okay.
You need a support behind you.
Okay.
And or your but baby more but or the right space or or the right support so and then those people were in charge. That's why they're able to everything that they make decision, they're able to take it forward. But say or advice, Emma. Now end is for it doesn't magically change everything about them. Before we any new
point.
party.
Okay.
Any new party, omabapen, any NPP, omobana, obia any everything about them. What they're able to do, we already know. What you don't know is what they're going to promise now.
Okay.
Auntie, we already know about NDC. So just one woman coming in, 8 persuaded Ghanaians said they've changed all of a sudden. They are for Ghanaians' interest. That's not true. We still need proof. It's not a woman alone cannot do it.
A woman alone cannot do it. That's very nice.
Yes.
Oba Messi. Oba Genge. Woman for the world. Maybe also be Emma. Ye ni shikra ye wo abadaye. Ya dream do. We have a means to provide even in a situation say things are tough. Ye who say NPP people are complaining. Just the same way are now almost complaining in NDC time. And they don't think say it's time for such a change. They say yebema opportunity ama a party our bar are forming at a percent no for women are. So na for pray agenda for women no. And ke person oba NC memoir anemu president now. It's time say Ghana will make that change say wo ba bi ba befa position.
Okay, me that was say.
Okay.
Enye obebia na ewo abadaye. Enye obebia na ewo satin kananka mba enwo enkoje omumba enfa nto gatemu. Entuntimi mfa no nye point. Nemu baby a edru o politics mu no. Ye hia obi a ono oba asem na okan no obeye. Obi ono oba ya asem na ono ediba na da na koma so pa oba abeye.
Okay.
And se wo di asem ni nesi embaso emba ye obi onya power or a different person.
Oba.
Oh, uni. Yen ukra yenjuma mu kra obanya poster. Odi ni post na nkasa. Okasa final. Oye very authoritative. Onye democratic being. Se won observing from Mbanwa. Obi oni sika. Oye different from obenye sika. Obi nye eni sika. Otesi anu oni name no. Onya power ni you like when your power no all right, but on starting exercising the duty. Now starting exercising the duty and abon say on fasa. Or baby abenya power or a different person. So onye ni obre no wase. Na onya sika ni wia na osuban na nkasa no ededi. Enti awaba no ebi beka good things. So ebi ani say obi ka say vote member in emo ni about time ye ni mu no. Ni njuma obedi na be kire say ampo your about time ampa na because so far the ye hu hwin free ne ho ye. And then person me last one na me say repeat say in banya power omo ye different. Enti enye untimi nhwe oba ni beginning be ka say mba be gina what they can do it better. It's 1-1.
Into who say unya power obesa home.
Oh, me there. Me there me no kwari dey bia me pa me boni say rade ma me mbre me ho ase. It doesn't matter the power I will get because me there shame team. I'm working on that from now. Okay. When God lift me up, I still me jina baby am jina na. But me ka say ebi man working on sadie no from the beginning. In fact, omo coach you anything. And omenya post ebi mu bed ebia ye wo omo no. And no say from some education bibia true no mo dey do baby enti omo anfe mu, omo anfe ejemu, omo anfa hwe mu di sa abadaye no omo ni bi. Wo enti sa ho brase no enyo wono no bi ko che na ho brase.
What do you think about it? The Obama Siakan.
Baby I
agree with them. She ruined it with the last one.
You agree with them? Oh, the
I
last
was with her until women when they have power they are arrogant. that just took me off a little.
Okay.
But that's not true. It's not true. You cannot. To me, if I know engineer or bad person, I think so. Obia is different. And when they have even normal Ghanaians, when the lockdown began, normal market women really knew how to use power. The tomato seller, the orange seller, the Irish sellers, all of them exercise their power because now I have the Gary and you need it and you have to go lock down. And if I don't give it to you, you will starve. And so you saw more power. So when I won't say everybody is corrupted, they only need power. So and specifically and now sometimes I may get where you are coming from. Some in Bible position to get some level of position that mostly is occupied by men, CEO, all those things. You need to be very aggressive. And so aggressive, you have to be strong. Obo won't say we are bad or you're bad opposition, they have to be soft and everything. And you have to, as a leader, that is a different requirement. And so commanding respect. Sometimes you cannot be the same way as you are now when you have a power. In position you are responsible for baby in your bit obey we a leader we Ghana ni man na say company bia no what be the same thing as employee, you know. Definitely you'll be different. And I will be able to me action which I say arrogance, but just you have to be confident and you have to be a little bit aggressive. Some decision be why I say we will act different. And specifically say yenya power or banya power different. Everybody it depend on the person. Since back on good intention and no matter what, it won't affect them that much. Power no ain't me influence. You may use it for the good. But in back on something or your bear mount or your bow a bear cool. So power will affect anyone regardless of your gender.
The point to be said, you have to command for respect. We don't command for respect. Yeah, commanding for respect. You have it when you deserve it. Unjuma, the works you put in place will tell if someone how you talk to people, how you act towards people. Will tell how someone should relate to you. And respect, we don't command it. Okay, we attract it. That point and person may make it.
No, I get what you're saying. I didn't mean command as in like in some kind of authoritative manner.
Okay.
But I said we in your man some situation we a leader you were all types of leaders. Your mom you autocrats and but Democrats and all those things but at some point in your life if you're a leader we say all the leadership styles in now so pick it back. Sometimes you have to it's all picking in now for one solution. So people I say we firm or nice they do your brain and once you'll be able to be away. Sometimes people when you ask them to do something because on your more fine nice on your shit, sometimes they will not do it. Or maybe with excuse when we say way dear or the better either way dear and hojo or the better at some situation you have to command respect. You have to make a tough decision that will make people respect you. Until I mean come as in say Ubejan no your leader na Obiaba respect me by force. No, but at some situation you have to demand for it.
You have to demand for it. You didn't say there no final words I will catch you a Professor Jane Naana Opoku-Agyemang. Any gonna form man ya say no mo no mo so.
Okay. Nyameka che ne say nyame adom nyame lifting no up. O ma nani ndawo. O ma nani ndawo te say abo owo. O ba no be adwuma. Na mani mbefa power ne nchechire ne ho. Na onda. Ana o fa mbe chechire ne ho. Na osori a na ese oyiye no. Onye. Ena efutuo last time the man say even though say oye Mahama running mate Mahama take a decision be na say enko year she shouldn't just second it and no na make her
That's very good. That's very good. Sabina, but your final words to oba Professor Naana Opoku-Agyemang ene Ghana for manual.
Okay. First of all, may we wish you a good luck.
Okay.
You need all the luck in the world for the election. May we wish you a good luck for the upcoming elections. Now, say, nyame ya adom na omini na so power. She shouldn't forget oka say ne edene call say obeteki sa position. She shouldn't forget it. And na no nye intimidated by men now ma surrounding and say, oh, men man kwana mi je ma say me kasa say on standing on the ground. Or your but or that position now or one, they are all equal. One qualifier and come for him begina ho. She has to speak, let her voice be heard. And say bibi so make it decision be say on your mo enya adwene on standing firm. That's what I have to say.
That's very nice. Ebusian for emre eni afa enti ene day yankomo twetwe aha ena yedi ebesi adwentwe bia contribution and as also another story craft find somewhere I say wo fan to draft fato your comment section ho na bomodin a share video we fama adofo bibia no so emfemu aba follow yen your Instagram page @gh_. Medin and then na ama owusa ene day ma won fe for no oba mercy ene dem so sabina ene me no mo esi nkonya eltwe nkomo that's na ye be sign edi enhye biem kai say o advert no so obetimi afre ye number eda eye video yasi ho no na o advert bibia wo opese ye mbo hu de robia no obetimi afre na tese wona ye esi hu nkonya ne aka fefefe ebo ne simple nti wo de fa number ne frɛ makramu
fitiani asese ne din ene your friend say mechanic Zana prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no ba bia me hwe bia ma change afro ena maba too much GH hwe na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe